So I'm going to talk about hooping with the Brother 5x7 magnetic hoop for a few minutes. I have my hoop mat down, which is my rubber non-skid mat with my markings that make things handy and helpful. I've got it centered. My center lines are at my black thick centering lines. And I've got my towel, and I have blue crosshairs drawn on my towel with a water-soluble marker. And I'm going to just lay those crosshairs right over those black lines to get my design centered. And with a regular hoop, now I'm trying to get it in without anything shifting and moving. By using a magnetic hoop, the Brother hoops in particular, the magnets are different pieces. The other hoops, which I'll demonstrate on another video shortly, is the upper frame is all one piece. On the Brother hoops, they're different. There's a top and bottom that are a little bigger, and there's two on each side, which make placing your project in your hoop much easier. I can just slide this right over. It grabs in place. Slide that down. Grab my next piece, and I can just brush it across, and it clamps at just the perfect tension. I'm not pushing this hard. I'm not causing wrinkles and stretching it. I am just gently brushing it across my project and up and down, and I'm hooped and ready to go. So that is really a nice way to be able to hoop projects. The other thing is, if I'm working on a quilt, let's pretend this is a table runner or a quilt, I can take these pieces off now that I have done my first hooping, and I would have my project marked for my second hooping, and I can leave this right in my machine and take the magnets off. They do grip nicely. And then I'm going to just slide my project forward, line up my lines, and again, gently put my magnets into place. And as I go, I take my magnets off. And the nice thing about the multi-piece hoops rather than one large piece is I can put that first one, they're tight to get off, I can put the first one in place, and then I can shift my project a little bit if I need to, one way or the other, before I place my other magnets. When I have one large hoop, I take the whole thing off, I scoot this a little bit to get it straight, and then when I lay the whole piece on, it's hard to keep it as straight as you can rather than having the pieced magnets. They just clamp on nice and fast. So it's really a nice product. Hope you enjoyed that little tutorial.